If your HP Victus laptop turns on but the screen stays black, don't panic. This is a common issue, and most of the time, it can be fixed quickly with a few simple steps. I'll walk you through easy methods that usually get your screen back without needing a technician. The first thing to try is a soft reset using the charger. This is super straightforward. Plug your charger into the laptop and make sure it's connected to a power outlet. Once it's charging, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. This forces the laptop to restart and can often bring your screen back to life. If your laptop turns on and you see your desktop, you're good to go. If the soft reset doesn't work, the next step is a slightly deeper reset called a hard reset or a battery discharge reset. This helps clear out any lingering electrical charge that might be causing glitches. Make sure your laptop has at least some battery left, because this method won't work on a completely dead battery. Start by unplugging everything from your laptop: charger, USB devices, headphones, external monitors, or any other connected accessories. Once everything is disconnected, press and hold the power button for a full 60 seconds. Yes, a full minute. Don't release early. This drains any leftover power in the system and can reset the internal components that might be causing the black screen. After the 60 seconds are up, release the button and turn on your laptop as usual. If your screen still doesn't appear, it's worth trying a couple of additional checks. First, test the display by connecting your laptop to an external monitor via HDMI or DisplayPort. If the external screen works, the issue might be with the laptop's display panel or cable connection. Another thing to check is the brightness settings or keyboard shortcut keys for display toggling, as sometimes the screen output gets redirected to an external source accidentally. As a last resort, you can try resetting the BIOS. Turn off the laptop, then press the power button while holding the F10 key to enter BIOS setup. From there, you can restore BIOS defaults, which sometimes resolve stubborn black screen issues caused by system misconfigurations. By following these steps, from a soft reset to a hard reset, external monitor check, and even BIOS restore, you can usually fix most black screen issues on your HP Victus laptop. With patience and these simple tricks, your laptop should be back to normal in no time.